definitely in the grass. If the grass moves, grasshoppers just run.
I know what plays sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
New goat shelter.
You go, shelter. I'm helping move these screws, holding them on my wrist.
Good job. All right, got that metal off of that old shed. Took the metal siding off, metal roof off. I think that was probably about a 10 by 10. No, that'd been about a 12 by 12. Little old shelter. Still got a little bit of metal roofing on top of that that we can take off, but it kind of looked bad, so I really didn't want to use it. So I'm glad all that metal siding and roofing was pretty decent. All right, we got it off. Goat shelter is done. All reused material except the post. Metal we took off that old building over there. Put it on this. Had just enough to wrap around this whole building. Little shelter. Shit, it ain't perfect. But that baby's solid. Solid. It ain't going nowhere. And this'll last a few years. Cause that other one wasn't gonna last probably about another month. But we got this in, got the loose mineral feeder. Right, needed through the winter, right. Cause that was not gonna last the winter. Not the way they was rubbing up against it, and one side of the wall was already falling. But this is solid. This ain't going nowhere. The metal ain't going nowhere. So, like I say, got the loose mineral feeder in there. They good. Think about putting some hay in this later, but I think we'll just do that for the winter time. That'd be all right. All right, goes over checking out the new shelter already. Checking it out. Got a few holes from the old screws. Then they go back and fill in with some caulking. I'm gonna put some 100% silicone. On the roof. Thinking they ain't liking it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more from Rolling Reed Ranch. Stay tuned.